How to prevent worms in cats. Cats are susceptible to infection by parasitic worms, which can cause serious health problems. As a worm infection can be difficult and timely to treat, the best means of dealing with worms is prevention. You can protect your cat from worms by keeping it inside and providing a clean environment. Fleas can often transmit parasites such as worms to cats. Flea protection is vital to keeping your cat safe from worms. In the event your cat has worms, see your veterinarian to go over your treatment options. Protecting your cat from worms. Watch what your cat eats. If you have an indoor cat, your cat should be safe from worms as long as you're feeding it high-quality pet food. However, if you let your cat go outdoors, make sure to keep an eye on it. Do not let your cat outside unsupervised. Cats can contract worms from dead animals, like mice and birds. You should also never feed your cat raw meat or undercooked meat. Your cat could contract worms from this. Give your cat monthly heartworm medication. Heartworm is a serious concern for pet owners, and can have major health consequences. Talk to your vet about monthly medication to prevent heartworm. Heartworm medication can be injected, administered as a pill, or applied topically. Heartworm medication needs to be applied on a strict monthly schedule. Make sure you write down on a calendar when you last gave your cat heartworm medication and when its next dosage is due. Strive to keep your cat indoors. For many reasons, allowing cats to go outside is not recommended. In addition to being exposed to a lot of dangers like predator and cars, outdoor cats are much more likely to contract worms. It's best to keep cats inside, as they will be healthier and live longer. If your cat really enjoys going outside, only let it out when you can supervise. You can also get a harness for your cat and take it for short walks. Isolate infected animals. If you find out one of your pet has worms, isolate that pet from other animals as soon as possible. Worms can be transmitted through food bowls, litter boxes, and water bowls. A cat infected with worms should have its own food bowl, water bowl, and litter box. Keep the infected cat in its own room in the house until a veterinarian confirms you have effectively treated the worms. You should also get all your animals tested for worms. If one animal has worms, it's likely the others do as well. Worms should be treated as soon as possible to prevent complications. Talk to your vet about a diet that boosts immunity. This is especially important if you have a kitten. A solid immune system can help cats, and kittens can help protect a cat from worms. Talk to your vet about your cat's diet. Request recommendations for foods that contain the vitamins and nutrients a cat needs for optimal health. You should also ask about multivitamins. Some cats may benefit from a daily multivitamin to keep their immune system strong. Test your cat's feces regularly. This is especially important if you have an outdoor cat. However, even indoor cats can contract worms if they're transmitted through bugs that get inside your home. You should have your cat's feces tested once or twice a year so you can catch and treat worms early. If you have an outdoor cat, you may need more frequent testing.